Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can check out all your playlists on Spotify, so let's get right into it. Now you can see this on mobile and on PC as well, and I'll be showing this Quora article to you just so that you have some background information. I'll be just explaining in my own words anyway. But anyway, for PC, what you need to do is just go into the app and log into your account, and once you're in there, on the left side of your screen, you will see a sort of toolbar, but you'll see sort of a list of all your saved playlists and albums and any other things. Alternatively, you can go into your library and here you'll see all your created playlists, and that's pretty much what you need to do. Now on the phone or on any mobile device, it is pretty much the same process. All you need to do is go to the app, log in, go into your library and search for playlists, and you'll be able to see everything right from there. And that is literally all there is to it. It is as simple as that. You can browse your own personally made playlists or any albums and any other things, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys next time.